Welcome to PhotonPages, the fast, clean, and flexible way to build beautiful static websites without writing a single line of code. In this quick tutorial, we'll go from a blank page to a live website in just a few simple steps. PhotonPages is built around 3 core actions: design, configure, and deploy. Let's start with designing our site. First, we'll create a new page. You'll begin with a completely blank canvas. It's easy to get started. Next, we'll add some content using blocks. PhotonPages includes a large collection of blocks, from simple components to full sections. Let's add a nav bar, a few sections, and a footer to bring our page to life. Blocks, and even the components inside them, can be easily rearranged to fit your layout. No rigid templates. You design your site your way. If you make a mistake or want to go back a step, just hit the undo button. Now, let's make it our own. We'll upload some images and edit the text in the navbar to match our brand. Want more control? You can switch to wireframe or layers mode, making it easy to select and organize elements precisely. Let's go ahead and add a Contact Us section. Just drag and drop it into place. Want to make it unique? We'll remove the image and replace it with a map block. Many blocks come with a Properties panel, which lets us update details like the address on the map. And in the Style panel, we'll adjust the size of the map to make it fit perfectly. We can also change colors, fonts, and spacing to match the look and feel we want. Once you're done editing, click Preview to see a full-screen version of your site, just like your visitors will see it. To save your work online, click the Sync button. It stores your local changes to the cloud. Made a mistake after syncing? No worries. The Revert button takes you back to your last saved version. Now let's move to the Configure step. Here, you can set your site's title, description, and SEO details. You can also choose a public URL and add more pages to your project if needed. Finally, it's time to deploy. Click Deploy, and your site is published in seconds. Visit your link, and you're online. If your latest changes don't show up right away, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus R to clear your cache. You can also connect your own custom domain if you have one. And that's it. From blank page to fully deployed site, in just minutes. PhotonPages makes static website building fast, flexible, and fun. Try it out today and see the difference.